Good morning, student of class 8. I am your computer teacher Shonji sir. Hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to revise the important topic which is flowchart. Okay, chapter number 4, flowchart. Okay, so let's start. So, what is a flowchart? Okay, mainly flowchart is a pictorial representation. Okay, mainly flowchart is a pictorial representation of the steps of an algorithm used to solving a particular problem. Okay, so mainly flowchart is a pictorial representation of steps an algorithm is used to solving a particular problem. Each operation is represented by the drawing a specific geometric shape. Okay, so each operation is represented by drawing a specific geometric shape like this. Okay, these are the all geometric shapes. Okay, and each flowchart symbol is connected by the arrows. Okay, here you can see this type of arrows. Okay, so these are the symbol. Okay, and these are the name of those symbols. Okay, so first is an oval. Okay, an oval is used to indicates the beginning and the end of the program. Okay, that means जो ये oval shape है वो क्या करता है, जो प्रोग्राम का स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एंड द एंडिंग पॉइंट जो है वो इंडिकेट करता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज इनपुट एंड आउटपुट. द पैरेललोग्राम इज यूज्ड टू इंडिकेट द एक्सेप्टेंस of input from a user or the output concluded. Okay, so this box, input and output box, is used to एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ इनपुट. ओके, जब भी हम लोग कोई भी इनपुट देंगे तो ये जो बॉक्स है वो क्या करेगा कि जो इनपुट है उसको एक्सेप्ट करेगा और जो हम लोग प्रोग्राम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं उसके बाद जो आउटपुट होगा उसको भी वो डिस्प्ले करेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज एरो. These arrows are connector that connects various geometrical shapes. That direction arrows represented by the flow of the sequence. Okay, जब भी हम लोग कोई भी प्रोग्राम लिखेंगे उस प्रोग्राम का एक फ्लो होगा. ओके, ये जो यहाँ पे जो आप लोग देख रहे होंगे जो एरोस है वो क्या करता है, एक तो जो प्रोग्राम है ईच ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट को हम लोग को इस एरो से हम लोग कनेक्ट करेंगे और जो फ्लो ऑफ डायरेक्शन है जो प्रोग्राम का उसको भी हम लोग इस एरो से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द प्रोसेस. ओके, process. A rectangle shape represents steps involving processing of data. Okay, next is decision box. Okay, a decision box represent diamond box represent steps involving decision to taken on the basis of the specific condition. Okay, this geometric shape is mainly used in the branching algorithm, flowchart. Okay, next is connector. A circle is used to connect one part of a flowchart to the another. Okay, next is advantages of flowchart. Okay, so first is communication. Flowchart are better way to communicate with the logic of a system. Okay, logic of a system. Next is effective analyzing. Problem can be analyzed more effectively way using the flowchart. Next is proper documentation. Flowchart serve as good program documentation. Next is efficient coding. Flowchart act as a guide. Okay, or blueprint during the system analyze the program development phase. Okay, next is disadvantages. Okay, first disadvantages is flowchart became complex if the program logic is complicated. Okay, अगर आप लोगों ने कोई भी प्रोग्राम लिखा है अगर वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है तो जो फ्लोचार्ट होगा वो बहुत ही कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाएगा. ओके, if any modification is to be made, then the flowchart has to be completely redrawn. Okay, that means if you want to modify any type of any sentence of the any sentence or statement or code in the flowchart, then you need to redraw द फुल फ्लो चार्ट. ओके, अगर आप लोगों ने सोचा कि कोई भी फ्लो चार्ट में जो प्रोग्राम है उसको कोई भी कहीं पे भी मॉडिफाई करना है तो क्या करना होगा, आप लोगों को जो पूरा का पूरा जो प्रोसेस है फुल जो फ्लो चार्ट है उसको दोबारा से पूरा कंप्लीट करना होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, फ्लो चार्ट आर ओनली थ्योरेटिकल टूल्स फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ए प्रोग्राम. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रूल्स फॉर ड्राइंग फ्लो चार्ट. First is direction of flowchart is either from top to bottom or left to right. Okay, next is there should be one start box and one stop box. Next is arrowheads indicates the flow of data, and next is the connector is used to connect breaks in the flowchart and is used to join one page to another page. Okay, so here you can see the simple flowchart. Okay, this is the connector. Okay, sorry, this is the arrow. Okay, and the arrow is shows the direction of the uh, flowchart, and this is the start box and this is the end box. Okay, um, this is an oval shape box. Okay, oval shape. Okay, it indicates the starting the program and it shows the ending the program. Okay, and these box are used to input and output. Okay, these box are used to input and output, and this is the process box. Okay, rectangle box, process box. Okay, now let's discuss about the branching flowchart. Okay, branched flowchart. So sometimes the flow of steps in an algorithm can be branched into multiple paths. Okay, multiple paths based on how a particular condition works. Branching is the process of the following one or two or more alternative paths of computation. Okay, so here you can see this is the oval box. Okay, and this is the decision box. Okay, is it raining? If yes, okay, if yes, then take an umbrella. If no, then leave the umbrella. Okay, that means यहाँ पे आप लोग देख रहे होंगे कि यहाँ पे एक जो प्रोग्राम है वो क्या है, इट इज रेनिंग। ओके, बारिश हो रहा है कि नहीं। यहाँ पे क्या हुआ, दो पाथ्स। ओके, टू पाथ्स, one if yes then take a umbrella, if no then leave the umbrella। okay, that means a diamond box represent the steps involving decision to be taken on the basic of the specified condition। okay, specified condition, अगर बारिश हो रहा है तो हम लोग अम्ब्रेला लेंगे, अगर बारिश नहीं हो रहा है तो हम लोग अम्ब्रेला नहीं लेंगे। ओके, now discuss a flow chart। okay, so write a flow chart to find the area of a circle। okay, write or draw a flow chart to find a area of a circle। so this is the start box and this is the stop box। okay, oval shaped start box and end। okay, next is input and output। okay, input and output, read R। okay, read R, we all know that the formula of calculate the area of a circle is pi r square। okay, this is the formula of a to calculate the area of a circle। okay, this is the formula। okay, we use this formula, so set pi is 3.142, then area, okay, pi into r, that means pi r square। okay, then display the area, then stop। okay, if the number is divided by 2 then print the number is even। okay, if the number is divided by 2 then print the number is even, otherwise print the number is odd। okay, so here you can see remainder is equal to number divided by 2 if remainder is 0। okay, if remainder is 0 then that means this number is even। okay, if remainder is not 0 then false, print the odd number। okay, I hope that all of you know how to calculate the even and odd number। okay, and this is the main formula, remainder is equal to number divided by 2। okay, and this is the decision box। okay, this is the decision box, in I have already told that this decision box is used to take the decision on the basis of the specific condition। okay, so that means if the remainder is 0 then print the number is even। okay, and if the remainder is not 0 then print odd number। okay, and this is an example of branch flow chart। okay, this is the example of branch flow chart। okay, So I hope that all of you have understand, and please, uh, all of you need to practice some flowchart, okay, practice some flowchart or algorithm at home, okay, to understand better. And all of you know that our first term exam is going to start from 10th of August, and the computer exam is held on 24 August, okay. So all of you need to read each and every chapter very very carefully, okay, because our first term exam is mainly based on MCQ, okay. So all of you need to read each and every chapter very very carefully, okay. So today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will start a new chapter, okay. So till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.